What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. Welcome to Reality Gist TV, the home of news and trending stories. So, I'm here back again with another shocking video. I could say interesting, but another shocking video about the recent happening in Sweden and Finland. The snowfall, the worst snowfall so far, which has left 44,000 homeless. A lot of people have been left homeless. No light, no light in the city right now. A, a serious snowfall which took place yesterday in Finland and Sweden. Okay, guys, and anyway, guys, enough of the talking. Let's dive deep into the video as you join me in watching. Please do not forget to like and share. And you can also drop your comment constructively on the comment section. Please, 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 and please, and please, and please subscribe. Thank
Nearly 44,000 households were left without electricity due to the storm, mostly in eastern Finland. Emergency services in the south and east of the country received numerous reports of fallen trees, some of which destroyed power lines. In the capital region, emergency services received dozens of calls due to the bad weather.
They suspect the driver could be OPL, over the prescribed limit of alcohol.
The first snow of the season has arrived in the north of the country, in Lapland. The first snowfall, a major event in the Finnish weather calendar, is official when at least 1 centimeter of snow is observed at 9 a.m. On Wednesday morning, more than had fallen in some parts of Finnish Lapland, 20 centimeters of snow, a large amount. In particular, they registered 21 centimeters of fresh snow in the village of Inari-Saariselkä, record since the start of measurements in September. Meanwhile, the snow season has also begun in the north of Sweden yesterday, Tuesday 19 September. The Swedish Meteorological and Hydrological Institute, or SMHI, issued an orange warning for snow and wind in parts of the northern hinterland of Norrbotten. The snowfall caused problems for local traffic, school shuttles, waste collection, and newspaper distribution in some parts of the area, such as in the city of Kiruna.
Nej men alltså, det här är väl underbart?
According to the SMHI, the greatest snow depth was reported this morning precisely at Kiruna with 38 centimeters, which represent a new record for September. The city's previous record for September was 24 centimeters, set on 20 September 1932. Also in Karesuando, a record for September was reported, with a snow depth of 15 centimeters, which had previously been 7 centimeters since 1948. New monthly records also go to Javid, where they dropped 25 centimeters of snow, although the series of measurements for this location is not very long.
Det är ett under att folk ens är kapabel till att kunna köra bil här.
Kiruna's snowfall with 38 centimeters in September is the second highest behind Katteryag with 40 centimeters, recorded on 26 September 2003. The Swedish September record is 62 centimeters, set in Socio in Jämtland on 28 September 1954. In southern Sweden, however, snow is far away. In the county of Scania, temperatures of up to plus 25 degrees Celsius are expected during the week.